Yes, as of late 2025, Tesla's Tesla Electric Initiative allows you to add your non-Tesla EV, like the Hyundai Ioniq 5, to the Tesla app in over 40 countries. This grants you access to Tesla superchargers and charging history tracking. This functionality has been available since 2024 in Europe and Asia and became fully rolled out in 2025. First, download the Tesla app on your iOS or Android device. Create a free Tesla account or log in if you already have one. Tap Add a Vehicle, select Non-Tesla Vehicle. Enter your Ioniq 5's details, including the make, Hyundai, model, Ioniq 5, year, and VIN. You'll need to verify ownership via email or photo upload for security purposes. Once verified, your Ioniq 5 will be displayed as a chargeable vehicle in the app. The Tesla app provides navigation to nearby superchargers, showing you the fastest route to available charging stations. The app displays real-time availability of charging stalls, helping you avoid busy stations and plan your stops effectively. Payment is handled through your linked credit card in the app, making the charging process quick and convenient. The Ioniq 5 CCS connector works directly with most Tesla superchargers, ensuring plug-and-play charging. If an adapter is ever needed, Tesla offers them at their stations to ensure your Ioniq 5 can charge seamlessly. The energy flows smoothly from the supercharger through the compatible connector to your vehicle. The Tesla app logs all your charging sessions, providing details such as the date, time, location, energy used in kilowatt hours, cost, and charging speed. This data integrates with Tesla's energy dashboard, allowing you to analyze your charging habits and track lifetime savings. Here's what the charging history screen looks like in the Tesla app. It lists all your recent charging sessions with key details. Each charging session includes several key details. The date and time tell you when it happened. Location shows where you charged. Energy used in kilowatt hours measures the power consumed. Cost displays the total amount paid, and charging speed indicates how quickly your battery charged. During a charging session, energy flows from the charger to your vehicle. The app tracks this data in real time. This data integrates with Tesla's energy dashboard, where you can see graphs of your battery usage and analyze consumption patterns over time. You can also track your lifetime savings from using the Tesla network compared to other charging options. Charging rates for non-Tesla EVs at Tesla superchargers are generally higher than for Tesla vehicles. As of 2025, expect to pay around 50 to 70 cents per kilowatt hour in the US compared to 30 cents for Tesla owners. However, discounts may be available through Tesla's referral program or other promotions. Consider hybrid charging networks, combining Tesla and non-Tesla options for cost savings. By 2030, supercharging fees may decrease due to the dropping costs of batteries. Tesla superchargers deliver faster charging speeds, reaching up to 250 kilowatts, which can significantly reduce charging times compared to many other networks that typically offer 50 to 150 kilowatts. The Tesla app provides a seamless and reliable charging experience with real-time navigation to superchargers, payment integration, and minimal downtime. Detailed session logs in the app include energy used in kilowatt hour, cost breakdown, charging speed, and timestamps, making it easy for cost analysis and supporting warranty claims. Many Ioniq 5 owners report significant savings, with up to 30% cost reductions and faster trips, contributing to overall time and money efficiency. The trend toward EV charging interoperability is accelerating, driven by regulatory pressures and consumer demand for convenience. Expect increased standardization, with protocols like ISO 15118 becoming more widely adopted for plug-and-charge features. Hybrid charging networks will become more common, combining Tesla superchargers with non-Tesla options for cost savings. AI-driven apps may optimize charging routes based on real-time grid data, reducing wait times and costs. Tesla aims to expand non-Tesla support to even more countries by 2030, solidifying its position as a universal EV charging option.